Good afternoon. Let's start the session. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about stored procedure concept. Stored procedures. So, what is the use of stored procedure? Stored procedure is a one of the TSQL block. It is a one of the TSQL block. So, which is used to reusability purpose. Which is used to a reusability purpose. So once create any program or any code, so that code use many times, use many times. So that is the main use of stored procedure. And it will be stored, it will store permanently in the database. Okay na? The second one is use code understandability. See the syntax. So here the syntax is create procedure name, use the parameters here. So here we have two types of parameters are there. Begin, use SQL code here. SQL code is nothing but insert, update, delete, select, whatever it is maybe. Okay, so the last one is end. So this is the syntax for to create the procedure. So here we have two types of parameters. So the first parameter is in parameter. So what is the use of in parameter? So in parameter is used to pass the values into procedure So here out parameter. So out parameter is used to return the values from the procedure So that is the use of in parameter and out parameter. Got it? So we will see more examples. So the first one is, so I will create one procedure. So we will store the some data within the procedure. So that result we can use m number of times. Create procedure name, sorry, procedure name means pxyz. This is the procedure name. Here I am not taking any parameters. Yes, parameters are optional. Here I am taking one select query, select star from employee and end. So here So here there is no begin, so that's why it's written error. So procedure is created successfully. Now see the one, see the result, how to execute the procedure, how to call the procedure, or SP means stored procedure, how to call the SP. So by using execute keyword, execute, what is the procedure name? PXYZ. Okay, na? So we can get the result here, we can get the result here. So instead of writing this select query so many times, okay na? So at that time simply create the procedure, simply create the procedure. So no need to, after create the procedure, no need to write this select statement multiple times. So then you can call that procedure n number of times. Okay, so that procedure you can call n number of times. So this is the first program. Okay, so this is the first program, and the second one is I am dropping the procedure, drop procedure name is PXYZ. So like this you can drop the procedure also. So the next task is how to insert the data, using procedure, how to insert the data using procedure. So first here I am taking the one table here, create table. So the table name is XYZ. So here I am taking ID, this is integer data type, one name, this is varchar data type, table is created. So now using procedure I want to insert the data into this table. Okay na? Create procedure. So procedure name is same procedure PXYZ. So here I will take parameters. So at the rate ID, this is the integer data type. At the rate name, this is varchar data type. Okay. So yes, begin insert into table name values. Here pass the parameters at the rate ID comma at the rate name, last one end. Zero. So here I am inserting the data into this table. So please observe. So now the table is empty, right? Select star from XYZ. So here the table is empty. So now by using procedure I want to insert the data. So here id is 1 and the name is, for example, a. Sorry, give the procedure name also. What is the procedure name? pxyz. So one row inserted. Now see the table data. So one record is inserted, right? So I will give the second data. So I will give the third data. Okay na? So now please observe here, please observe. Okay na? So by using the procedure only, we can insert the data into this table, okay na? So directly we won't insert the data into the table. So by using the procedure only, we can insert the data into the table. Got it? So not only insert, you can use deleted procedure, you can use updated procedure. So I will show you deleted procedure also, how to delete the data using the procedure. Okay na? So I will remove this one. Drop procedure. Procedure name is pxyz. Okay na? We'll remove this one. So newly I am creating the procedure. Create procedure name is pxyz. So here I will take only one parameter. So this is the id. Yes, begin. So delete from. So what is the table name? xyz, where id is equal to id end. Okay now, so procedure is created successfully. Now I want to delete the records. So first see the table data. Select a star from xyz. See here, table having 3 records. Now I want to remove the records. Execute procedure name. So I will give the 1. So I want to remove the first record. So one record is removed. Okay, now I will give 2. I will give 2 here. So by using this one, we can remove the procedure. I will give 3. So by using, see here, only one record is there. I will give 3. So this one also execute, deleted. Okay, na? So now the table is empty. Okay, na? So like that, you can remove the data using the procedure also. Drop procedure name is pxyz. Okay, so here the next requirement is how to execute the multiple statements at a time. How to execute multiple statements at a time. So using procedure, how to execute the multiple statements. That means we can execute insert, update, delete, select all these statements at a time. Okay na? For that, so here first take the select star from emp. Okay na? So create procedure name is pxyz yes begin. So here I will create one table, create table. So the table name is hash table hash temp. Here I will take column names. Okay na? So employee number, this is integer data type. Employee name, this is varchar data type. And the job, this is varchar data type. Next one, what is the next column? mgr is the integer data type, right? Next, hire date. So this is the date data type, right? Next one is the salary column. So this is money data type. And the next one is commission column. So this is also integer data type. So the last one is the department number. So this is also integer data type. So like that I am going to create one temp table within the procedure. So after that I so here the first comment is create temp table, create temp table. So the next one is insert data into temp table from emp table. So for that we have to use one command, insert into select command. Okay na? We can use insert into select command. So by using insert into select command, we can move the one table data into another table. Insert into, what is that table name? Hash temp select star from employee. Okay na? So after that, so next, what is the next one? Update the data. Update hash table data or temp table data. So here update hash temp set department number is equal to 50, where department number is equal to 30. So wherever the department number is 30 available, so we are going to update the as 50. And the last one is delete. So delete data from hash table or temp table. Here delete from temp table where salary less than 2000. Okay na? So like this table also created, and inserted the data, deleted the data, update the data, last one delete the data, and the last step is select the data. select data from hash table, select star from table last end. Okay na? So now here please observe, so within this procedure, so here how many statements are there? So table creation is one step, and data insert is second step, and update is third step, and delete is fourth step, and select is fifth step. So here we are executing we are executing 5 statements at a time. So now see the table data. So here, so command is completed successfully. So now I want to execute this procedure. Execute. What is the procedure name? PXYZ. So now we will get the result. So see here. So what is the first one? Table creation. So table creation is done, and second one is inserted. So data is also inserted. And what is the third one? What is the third one? Updated. So here please observe. So in place of 30 department, we can update the 50, and the last step is deleted data. Okay na? So delete means here the table having how many rows? 14 rows. So among those 14 rows we are deleting how many rows? Okay na? 8 rows will be removed. Here only we have 6 rows available, and the last one, select the data also. So like that you need to execute multiple statements at a time within the procedure. So that's about the procedures concept.